Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Multitool School. This particular edition of Multitool School is about camo multi-tools. After all, what's the one thing that could make a great multi-tool even better? Camo. This is the buck extract with Realtree hardwood camo. Now, the buck extract I've reviewed previously, I've presented previously in videos. It is a tool that's designed for one-hand opening of most of the tools, the knife blade, the pliers, like so, and the various other tools. You gotta love the extract in Realtree. Another multi-tool that I have in camo is this Gerber Multitool. The camo has been showing some signs of use. Some of it has come off the multi-tool, but hey, it's still an excellent camo multi-tool. Now, this Leatherman Charge it looks like there might be some camo around the Leatherman name right here, but I just can't tell. So I don't know if this really qualifies or not, but hey, it's a good looking charge. What the heck. Now, some knives that I have here in camo. These 5 knives begin with this Wenger folding blade that has the partially serrated knife blade. Very nice, very sharp folding knife. This is one from Victorinox with kind of a more of a woodland pattern to it. Stainless steel blade. Corkscrew. Now, if you don't like the shiny stainless steel, you can get one of these with the blades that are a little dimmed, I guess you'd say. Certainly not shiny. This one from Wenger has a fully serrated blade on it. This one also has blades that are not as reflective. This one is not serrated like the other one. But and then the last one here is this little pocket knife, again with the finished metal parts that are not reflective, or not as reflective as the ordinary stainless steel. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.